Hey everyone, I'm Nadia Cates, founder of Casa Palomi, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're learning how to make Pan de Muerto, or Day of the Dead bread, in preparation for our Dia de los Muertos celebration, which is a Mexican tradition celebrated on November 1st and 2nd. So the ingredients that we need for this recipe are flour, salt, sugar, some warm milk, as well as instant yeast, 2 eggs, and orange zest from 2 oranges, as well as diced butter. This right here is orange blossom water. You'll need this, or you can substitute it with vanilla. We're going to start off by preparing our starter. You'll need some flour, some sugar, and some yeast, as well as some warm milk. You'll prep your paste and set it aside until it doubles in size. This paste is the secret to getting our dough the perfect consistency for our pan de muerto. Some starter ahead of time, and we're going to add it to our prepared mixture. Now you'll mix this until it stops sticking to the sides of your bowl again. Our dough is done. Let me show you what it looks like. You'll know the dough's ready once it's no longer sticking to the sides of the bowls and it's elastic. Look at this. So amazing. This is what the dough looks like once you remove it from the mixer. Now we're ready to form the dough into balls. Each ball of dough should weigh about 100 grams. And if you don't have a kitchen scale, I didn't have one for many years, you can just make sure that your balls are about the same size so they bake evenly. Once you've weighed the dough, you're ready to shape the buns. In order to shape the buns, you cup your hand over your dough and roll it in a circular motion. Once the buns have been shaped, we're going to begin to shape the top part of the pan de muerto, which represent bones. This pastry has a lot of symbolism in that it represents the human state of life. So it might sound a little bit different for someone who's not grown up with our tradition, but it all has meaning and purpose. And traditionally, Pan de Muerto is placed in the ofrendas or altars that are set up for our ancestors on Dia de los Muertos. You'll roll the dough into a thinner strip, and with an open hand you begin to roll it some more until you form these nodes like that. You're gonna have to push a little bit hard to make sure those are formed properly. Once the bones are ready, you place them across the top of the dough, like this. This one broke, but we can just piece that together. And then you take a separate little ball of dough, push in the center just a little bit, and place that one piece on the top. Some people believe this represents a teardrop for the tears that are shed for our loved ones. We finished shaping the Pan de Muerto buns, and now we're going to set them aside and let them rise until they double At that point, we're gonna put it in our preheated oven. It's been heating up at 350 degrees and it's going to bake for 20 minutes. Once the buns have doubled in size, you're gonna place them in an oven that's been preheating for 350 degrees. The bread is done. Look how beautiful they look. As soon as you pop them out of the oven, you're gonna want to drizzle some melted butter on top. After you've buttered them, you'll sprinkle sugar on top. Thank you so much for baking with me. This pan de muerto smells delicious and I can't wait to try it. I hope yours turns out just as yummy. And if you'd like to find out more about Dia de los Muertos or Day of the Dead, please visit Casa Palomilla on Instagram where I share so much more about it.